so nice. I'm not heavy enough.
I know. It's all cracked.
This looks so nice.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Eric, and I think Sarah's already in the van here. So one of the first projects that we worked on in the van is the bed, and we basically just took it apart and we redid the rails because they were super rickety. And then we realized that we couldn't really do anything until we did all the paint and wallpaper. So this project has just been sitting on hold for like 6 weeks, and we're finally just getting into it now. Our little shop is such a mess right now. We have just been storing a bunch of stuff here, just with what came with the van and everything. And basically, it's just all of this garbage that will hopefully, some of it will go back in the van, but no guarantees. Anyways, the reason that we brought you in here is because we are going to be making a slat bed instead of the original plywood bed that was in the van. The plywood was fine, but it wasn't really all that level. And so we wanted to do a slat bed because we've seen a lot of it online. A lot of people have been doing this. It's going to be a little bit different with ours because we already have one level plane on the front, and we're going to have to slide it out on the sliders that we just rebuilt. So anyways, stick around to see whether this is even going to work for us. But basically what happened was a friend of ours had a bunch of maple trees that he had cut down and milled it himself. So we got all this wood here for a really good price. And so my job today, or at least for right now, is to refine all of this wood. Consider it planed and refined.
I'm dusty.
Super dusty in here.
So dusty.
Open all the windows and doors.
I would not want to do that on a whole house, but this wood looks...
Imagine.
Yeah, can you imagine if you had to plane your entire
Crazy.
house? This looks so nice. I almost feel bad that we're using this for the bed, Eric. This is such nice maple wood.
But it's gonna hold us up.
Yeah! This looks awesome!
Hey, think you can just have a coffee in here without me?
Yeah, work hard, play hard, air dog.
We got a whole bed to make.
Let's go. Let's get her done.
What are we doing?
Come on, no sitting around. So now that we've got all the boards placed up here, we have to decide which ones are going to come in and out, and we need to like space them all appropriately. So what we've got are these like felt adhesive strips. So we're going to put these in between the boards that are coming out so that they keeps them all evenly spaced, and it will also make sure that they don't like squeak when they're rubbing against each other. And we're hoping that maybe if we keep that much space in between, it'll also help with some like mildew and mold. And yeah, so we're going to put those onto all the boards that are coming out now. Okay, so what are we doing?
So we're just gonna mark, this one is staying.
Okay.
This one is, no, wait, I messed that up already. This one is coming out.
Okay.
Yeah, pull all the ones that are coming out and then just put a mark on them.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put a mark on the other side of them as well.
Why do you have to mark them?
Just so that when we screw in the ones, we're not gonna accidentally screw in those ones.
Gotcha.
And not somehow make these stationary. Don't worry about it. I've placed them perfectly to make sure that we're not gonna mess this up.
Okay, I trust you.
I'm just gonna make sure that these are
Like little squares?
like little squares.
Okay.
And we're gonna put them on each side that.
All right, it's all spaced out. It's looking pretty good. Last chance to critique it, Eric. You like it?
I think it's gonna look good.
Okay, I'm gonna go get up there then. Ah! Okay, start screwing this down. Now we're ready. I'm stressed, Eric. This is a lot of pressure on me.
You got it.
All right, first screw. I think I'm gonna do it right.
Yeah, put your weight into it. You got it. Harder. Oh, slow it. Just go real slow.
I'm not heavy enough.
I know. Slow.
I honestly can't. My full weight isn't enough. You do it.
Oh boy.
It's hard.
This might be as far as it goes.
Yeah, see, I'm not crazy.
I never thought you were crazy.
Yeah. Okay, that still really wasn't working very well to drill through like 3 different pieces of wood, so I'm gonna find another little drill bit here. These are way too big. Where? Oh, these ones. Here we go. Okay, something that'll work with a screw. I think that might work. Looks kind of like the best for now, so let's see if that'll work. Yeah.
There we go. That's what we need.
There we go.
Perfect. That's exactly what we need.
That looks great. Woo! Let's do it 300 more times.
All right, 300 more times. Let's roll. All right, let's go through every board with this, and then with this, and then with these.
It's gonna take us forever.
That's it.
You got it.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that went better.
That's no problem.
Okay.
You want to do me a favor?
Yeah, what's that?
Make sure it's not poking through the roof and the bottom.
Oh, no. No. Definitely good. Woohoo!
My biggest fear in life.
Yeah, that would be terrible. All right. Woo! One down.
One down.
What's happening?
My foot cramped.
Oh, wow. You're doing so good.
I was doing good. And then my foot cramped.
Woo! Look at this thing of beauty.
All right.
Woohoo!
That's pretty solid.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sad to cover this up with a mattress.
I know.
This wood looks so beautiful. Wow.
Wowza.
Okay, let's attach the front bit.
Let's do it.
So we're all set up to do the most complicated part. We gotta now attach this beam to all the rails and make sure it works perfectly. Right, Eric?
It's amazing. It's gonna be so perfect.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
it's
perfect.
so easy.
So easy.
What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to measure it so I don't screw it up completely.
Perfect. Pressure's on. Yeah, so this thing fits perfectly between
here.
between these two pieces. So we got to make sure that the edge ones are attached at the perfect spot so that it can just lock in place when it's closed. Right?
Accurate.
Did that make
accurate.
sense?
You nailed it.
Woo!
2 seconds later.
Well, so far not so good.
We got 2 problems. First of all, we screwed it into the wrong spot so it doesn't slide in properly.
After you double checked it.
I double checked it. I should have triple checked it. But now, well, we screwed it in. It's all cracked. There's a nice big crack right there.
No good.
Anyways, we gotta flip it around anyways, so. Whoop.
Hopefully it doesn't happen again, because...
Well, you got 2 sides. We mess up both sides, we're done.
All right, round 2. Ah, careful.
And
One more.
one more to go.
Putting all these little pieces of felt on here so that there's one at the end of the boards when they're open and one on the stationary board so that it won't like pull the entire thing off the top. And it keeps it like a good distance apart. There you go. Look at that.
Done.
Now when you slide it, they'll stay like the perfect distance apart. Oh yeah, thing of beauty, Eric.
And it's nice and smooth.
Ouch.
It's not too loud, doesn't squeak.
Yeah, I like it. Now just hopefully it holds us up.
Wow. Look at this thing.
This looks so nice.
You slide it
I
out.
actually feel like this looks a lot better than I was expecting. I don't know why. Wow.
Ooh. That's sick.
This looks beautiful. Looks like a fancy IKEA bed.
I know.
Wow. Nice. Now we gotta put the mattress on it and try it out.
All right. This should fit.
Hopefully.
Yeah, like that, right?
Yep. Okay. Look at that.
Oh, baby.
We've got a bed, Eric.
It's actually perfect. It fit perfectly.
It fits so perfect. This is awesome.
How nice is this now?
It looks great. Wow, it's actually so nice and bright up there with a back panel on there now.
This is gonna be just fine. I'm going for it.
All right.
I'm going for it.
Hopefully you don't fall through. Oh yeah, it didn't move at all.
No problem, right?
How's that?
Yeah, it's a little tight, but
All right, I'm coming
I
up.
think it's gonna work.
I'm coming up. How'd you get up here so easily?
Crawled through.
Oh yeah, this is nice, Eric.
Decent, right?
I feel like this is a lot of space.
Yeah, I think it's fine. It's great.
I feel like maybe in the hottest day in the summer we won't want to be up here.
No.
But like, you know, plenty of space. I can roll over.
I can as well. It's about like an inch from my shoulder to the roof, but that's fine.
This is so funny. I feel like I'm a kid again in our old motorhome. My family and I went on a 4-month across Canada and the US trip, and it was always a luxury when our dad would let us like sit up here and watch as we drove down some back roads. Now I feel like I'm a kid again. This is so fun. Oh, I'm so happy this worked, Eric.
It's perfect.
I'm so proud of you.
Good, hey?
You designed this all on your own.
Oh yeah, I copied so many
proud of you.
people. It was perfect.
No, but I'm proud of you. It was a lot of back and forth of what to do with this, so
Yeah, it was.
I'm really proud of you.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, this is so nice.
I like it. I'm down with it. It's hot, but
Yeah.
it's good. Well, thanks for watching.
This is a lot of fun. And make sure you subscribe to see if we actually sleep in this bed all summer.
That's right. Like this video if you actually liked it. And
Well,
what do you think? Are we going to see them in the next one?
I don't know. I might not be in the next one.
Might not be.
Maybe just you next
No,
one. Maybe not me.
Maybe just not me.
No.
We'll see you in the next one.